out in Italy, sipping and eating pasta, it's a new day. If you ain't on the ship, you was too late. We mixing Douce with the Kool-Aid. My flow is like the water, call me Bobby like Boucher. Took a couple L's, still a legend like Cool J. I think I'm finishing a chapter, about to flip to a new page. People fighting nature, talking about I don't do change. Paint the perfect picture, throw that shit in a new frame. I show it when I'm needed, save my city like Luke Cage, yeah.
Huh?
It's motorized bike, right?
Electric?
You're gonna be lane traffic.
Huh?
What are you doing?
My city gentrified.
On the bike
My condo cost
side,
me
this is
almost $1
electric
million.
bike.
It's in the style. Really, I just wanna live simple.
Yeah,
And get
electric.
a crib out in Jersey and pay like $200
Huh?
and take my time, but I gotta grind. Money be calling me on my line. I'm a
I need to be
fucking
in a
wreck.
lane?
You only getting
Okay.
me
I mean,
in
I
my
just
best.
don't-
got
I mean, it's
heart,
not-
yo. One of them
I figured it
niggas
wasn't
without
legal to ride in a lane.
Previously, I used to be drinking until the bar
Even
closed,
with-
trying to
even
control
though it's
the drama
electric and it
damage
doesn't have a
I done.
license or
I find
anything?
it tough for the
Okay,
jungle
okay.
dollars and family
I understand,
love.
yeah.
used to
Sorry
look
about
into the
that.
mirror
That
like
way
I
you
can't be a
don't-
bum
you know what I'm saying?
and be
You
a
got
baby
somebody
daddy.
got
Women
the
gon' be
issue.
scared
Yeah,
of me, bro. I fly
You're not
away
gonna
to
see
Cali
anything.
just
Yeah,
for the
yeah, no,
weather
I
with
appreciate
homies
that.
and
Yeah,
jet
I
skis.
just didn't
Always
realize.
thank God for
Yeah,
all the ways
yeah,
that
thank
He
you.
blessed me. And every
Yeah, no, I
time
don't
He
either.
give me clarity
I
on
appreciate
some
it.
life shit.
Have a
Kept me
good day, okay?
fighting through the crisis, hit the lights, which I'm not blind. In fact, I see everything, the puppeteer's hands, the backdrop, and the set of strings. All I really want is to walk around with a wedding ring and own a home with porches and grass growing forever green. Dinner with the family, then pound cake and vanilla bean. Pops told me never see something and other never me. I'ma buy you cash and put some money in escrow. Smile ear to ear when I get home. Like, let's go. Make your apologies when you at the top of your game and give them properly. Bow, offer it, walk away. It's crazy how your sincere sorry came with a favor. You ain't even wait a few minutes before you ask for shit. And that's what separates you and I. No matter where I'm at, I'm owning up to what you deny. And lately apologies is on sale 2 for $5. Like, would you send this message if you wasn't so desperate? I'm assuming not. But I'm a different kind of nigga, I see. A lot of folks out here really don't got vision like me. It's been a minute since I asked for a favor. My last rejection was so long ago, I don't have the data. Too busy stacking paper. I used to shop on 28th and still there's nothing faker. You couldn't take it to the face, you had to add the chaser. When you was littin' at the top of the globe, you was impressed to hit me up and say your actions was cold. But I accept it cause I know how I feel to live with regrets. When you holding something heavy, you gotta get off your chest. It's a lesson that'll come at some point in your life. If you wasn't humble from the jump like I was, I'm happy for all the shit that nobody gave me and everybody that played me and really thought they could break me and chatted about me crazy. Dug me when I was down or publicly acting shady. When you get it on your own, nobody could come and take it. Good luck. cozy. I fall asleep on it every day. I keep it clean like every hour. I get the broom, always got the lavender pumping. I love it in my space. I'm hella picky with everyone I invite. Some people that's my friends, I told them they been for life. Cause people who respect you gon' respect your crib. If you smoking up my spot, go and get your shit. I work hella hard for everything that I got, ho. Say that you could make another me, but you can't, though. Nobody was spoon fed, stay away from new friends. Old school nigga, never caught up in a new trend. Playing dad so the air is mad fresh. Keep it easy playing by my bed for my last breath. Wine cellar for the moments when I'm feeling mad tense. Looking at the past got me feeling like I'm mad blessed. I internalize the bad and it's hard for me to trust. I got narcissistic qualities, I hear I'm out of touch. But I'm hella sensitive, I feel it if I'm penning it. If I put it out, I only did it for your benefit. I really stay alone to protect you from myself. Used to hide behind the drugs, now I
thank you.
I said later to my heart. Just like dirt bike on the bread, cause my baby needed
I appreciate it, thank you.
On his bed. Woman from my past told me that I'm turning cold and it's sad. I used to make her feel like she was home, bring her back, but it's hard.
This will go about 50 miles an hour. Yeah, it's fun.
My higher self is on a track.
It's great, yeah. It's easy. No clutch or anything.
No more self-sabotage, living against my purpose. More appreciation for myself when I ain't perfect. Every day I get up and grow. That's what I chose.
What'd you say?
Just gotta learn the ins and outs.
Yeah. It's fun. It's just, it's kind of like touchy.
Basic.
You got to just get used to going fast. It's fun though.
Hey, when you're on something low like that, you feel like you're doing 80.
Yeah, you do for sure. You can get a battery that'll make it do 80.
That's too fast.
It's too fast for this. Yeah. Yeah. See you, man.
I'm on the balcony.